Imagine having the power to clone a seven-figure online business from the comfort of your own home. Picture this: a full-fledged business generating substantial profits, all under your control, and all from your living room. This isn't some far-fetched fantasy. With advanced technology, better than artificial intelligence, the unthinkable is now possible. You don't need products, technical skills, or even much experience. Yes, you heard it right. This isn't just a dream anymore, it's a reality. So you may be wondering, how's this possible? Well, it's as simple as 1, 2, 3. And you don't need any special tech skills or previous experience to make this happen. This process is designed to be beginner-friendly. All you need is a little bit of grit, a lot of passion, and the willingness to take action. And there you have it, a 3-step process to clone a 7-figure online business. But wait, there's more. We have a secret challenge that could skyrocket your success. Imagine a hidden key that could unlock exponential growth for your online business. A challenge that will push you, but with great rewards at the end. It's not just about the destination, it's about the journey. This is the game changer, the secret challenge. Intrigued? To find out more about this secret challenge and the software, check the link in the description. Remember, the sky is only the beginning.